stands. Look at the puppies.
Oh.
Look at the car. Look at all the puppies and the horse.
Oh, the
That's
horse?
legit a barn find. Look at that. It's been sitting in the barn. That's awesome.
He's just like a giant.
Yeah.
I mean, for really That's excellent. Need a bit of a tune, but that's okay. Oh, it's so cool. Where's the seat adjuster? This is awesome. Laura, this is my dream car, and it runs and drives. Wow. Do you love it?
I do. Do you love it?
Oh my god, it's better than I thought it would be. We feel so tiny in here. What? How do you turn the wipers on? Oh, maybe they don't work. Whatever, we'll figure that out later. That's not the end of the world. Oh my god, it slides. This is the best car ever. We just have to take it. I can't drive it far. The hood's not down either, so.
What's that?
The hood's not down.
You love it?
Oh my god, I'm the happiest man alive.
Let's get it on that trailer.
It runs better than some of the cars I've owned. We're about the same size.
There's probably not a lot of those kicking around
No,
anymore.
this is gold. This is amazing.
I think I saw them on eBay, but I'm not.
Look at that. It fits perfectly.
Look at that.
the next day.
Alright guys, so it's actually the second day. I unloaded the trailer yesterday, got the car off, and set it on the driveway over there. So what I'm going to actually do is, I got it plated, so I got plates on it. We're going to drive it down to the car wash. We're going to give it a really deep clean. I'm going to try and clean underneath it, try and clean the engine bay, do as much as I can before I park it in the back garage for winter when we can start doing the build. But I'm going to show you guys a little bit about the car right now, and then I'll show you a little bit better once it's all cleaned up. So here we go. It's at its resting spot right now. Got her in the garage. She's all clean. I spent over $30 at the car wash getting this thing cleaned. I spent a huge amount of time all getting underneath the wheel arches on every single thing, getting all the frame. You can tell there's some frame rust there. There's actually quite a bit, but you can buy replacement parts, everything for these, like floor pans, frames, doors, you name it, you can get it. So next, I'm going to start cleaning the interior, but that'll be on another video, so stay tuned for that, guys. Hope everyone's going to enjoy this project. I'm super excited to start it. I will get this Forester done. I know that project's taking forever. I might not even record it. Nobody's really seeming to be interested in it. But this project, this one here, is, I'm hoping, going to be a good time. Basically, what I'm going to start by doing on this one is essentially getting it fixed up, getting it ready to go, roadworthy, safe to drive, fix all the rust, do all the simple stuff before I dive into modifying wheels, coilovers, you know, stupid stuff like that. Well, not stupid, but exciting stuff that costs a lot of money. So for now, we're going to start by diving into it. You'll see the cleaning of the interior in the next video. If you want to skip that video and you want to watch something else, I'm probably going to start by lifting the car up, checking all the suspension components, checking the driveline, and taking a look at the overall rust and seeing what we got our hands on here. So, but yeah, I'll do another look over here for you guys if you're interested in taking a look at what it looks like. Also going to delete the side mirrors and get fender mirrors. It's got this kind of neat pinstripe. I mean, at least I think it's pretty neat. The paint isn't the greatest. I think it's been repainted because this is like a brown flake. Looks pretty cool in person, but I'm not a big brown car color guy, but I think the original was an orange. So yeah, I'm kind of super excited with it. It turned out really good. It's clean. Yeah, project, here it comes. So if you guys have any suggestions of what I should do with this project, please leave some comments down below. I kind of really am happy how clean the stock arches are, but also sad because my dream is to obviously get the fender flares and some wide Watabi or whatever the heck kind of 15 by 10 wheels. But I kind of want to keep it clean and keep it stock, so maybe we'll do it that way. But hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that was the Z. So yeah, stay tuned.